today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default homepage within Microsoft Edge. Whether you're a fan of starting your browsing session on a specific news site, your favorite blog, or a search engine like Google, it's incredibly convenient to have your preferred page open automatically when you boot up Microsoft Edge. So let's dive right in and set up your default homepage. First things first, let's open up Microsoft Edge. When you launch Edge, you're likely greeted by the default Microsoft Edge homepage, which is a standard layout featuring quick links, a search bar, and perhaps some news highlights. But what if you want something else to appear every time you open the browser? Fear not, customizing this is a breeze. Once you've got Microsoft Edge open, take a look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 horizontal dots. This is your gateway to accruing more options. Click on these dots, which serve as the More menu. From here, glide down to find Settings. This section is where all the magic happens. Upon entering the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where several navigation options are listed. You'll want to locate and click on Start, Home, and New tabs. This is where you control what happens when you start your browser, as well as what appears when you click the home icon. Inside this section, you'll find a variety of customization options. You're going to want to select the option labeled Open Custom Sites. This allows you to choose exactly which page will greet you every time you start Microsoft Edge. If you've already copied the URL of your preferred homepage to your clipboard, great. If not, go ahead and do that now. Then click on Add Site. In the dialog box that appears, paste your URL. Perhaps that's Google, an exciting news site, or any other page you might frequent. Finally, hit Add. And that's it. You've successfully set a new default homepage. Now let's test if everything works as it should. Simply exit out of Microsoft Edge completely, then open it up again. You'll notice that your chosen page is now the first to appear, making it the new default each time you start the browser. This neat trick can be repeated for any website you wish to set as your default homepage. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful in learning how to change your default homepage within Microsoft Edge. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks just like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.